Good morning, students. So today we have to continue with question number 11. So question number 11. Question number 10 is already uploaded in previous lecture. You can find the solution of question number 10 in my previous video. So let's start with question number 11. Question is, find the equation of circle passing through the point 2, 3. So here again you have to find the equation of circle. Let's say this is given circle. Given circle is passing through 2 points, point A, and let's suppose this is point B, and coordinates of these 2 points are given 2, 3, and coordinates of this point B minus 1, 1. So find the equation of circle which is passing from this given 2 points 2, 3 and minus 1, 1, and whose center is on the line. This is center of circle, let's say O. Center of circle lies on the line, and the equation of line is x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Let's assume this is circle with center whose coordinates are h comma k and the radius of circle is r. This is our assumed circle. Let's assume that given circle is with a center h comma k and radius is r. So what is the equation of circle? So here we can write equation of required circle. Equation of required circle. Which circle? Circle with center whose coordinates are h comma k and radius is r. Done? So equation of required circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the equation of required circle. Done? Now we will use given information. We are given that our required circle is passing from these 2 points 2, 3 and minus 1, 1. So this circle is passing through. This circle is passing through 2 given points 2, 3 and minus 1, 1. Our circle is passing through these 2 given points. These 2 given points are A and B. Circle is passing through these 2 given points. Done? So if the circle is passing through these 2 given points, this point A lies on the circle. So these coordinates 2 and 3 will satisfy equation of circle. Done? So here this 2, 3 will satisfy this equation of circle. So replace this x. This is the equation of required circle. So replace this x and this y with this 2 and 3. So we'll get one equation. Similar manner, this another point, point B, whose coordinates are minus 1 and 1, is also lies on the circle. So it will also satisfy our equation. So we are getting 2 equations, and therefore first equation is x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Put it over here. 2 minus h whole square plus y, which is 3. 3 minus k whole square equal to r square. Say this one as a result number 1. And this point, which is minus 1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. This is our equation number 2. Result 1 and result 2. Done? From these 2 given data, circle is passing through these 2 points. We are getting 2 equations. Now read the question properly. We are also given that a line is there. Which line? X minus 3y minus 11. X minus 3y minus 11 is the line which passing from the center of circle. Center of circle lies on this line. So here our assumed circle and the center whose coordinates are h comma k. So this coordinate, or we can say this point, lies on this line. So coordinates of this center will satisfy this equation of line. Done. So here this x and y can be replaced by this h and k. So now we can write center of circle, which is h comma k, lies on the line. Which line? Equation of line is given x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. The center of circle h comma k lies on this line x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0, and hence these coordinates h and k will satisfy our equation. Done. So we are getting one more equation, which is h, and replace x with this h. So it's h minus 3k minus 11 equal to 0. Say this one as a result number 3. So total 3 equations are there, 1, 2 and 3. We have to solve these 3 equations and we have to find the values of this h, k and this r. After finding this value of h, k and r, put these values in our equation of circle. So this will be your answer. Done. Our question is find the equation of circle. So this is the equation of circle, and in this equation we require value of h, k and this r. Done. So we can find the value of this h, k and r by solving these 3 equations. We are having these 3 equations. Clear, students? So now solution of this equation. For the solution of this equation, first we'll consider these 2 equations from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From these 2 equations, what we can write? This is 2 minus h whole square plus 3 minus k whole square equal to r square. And this one, minus 1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. So right hand side of this equation is equal. Both are equal to r square. So can we compare this both the equations on the left hand side? So now we are comparing both the equations on the left hand side. So we can write 2 minus h whole square. I am writing the left hand side. 2 minus h whole square plus 3 minus k whole square. This is equal to left hand side of this equation is equal to left hand side of this equation number 2, this one, which is minus 1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square. Done. This is by comparing equation number 1 and equation number 2 on the left hand side. Clear, students? This is equal to r square. Both the equations are equal to r square. R is the radius of circle, so both will be equal. So now we will try to solve this equation. For the solution of this equation, we have to perform the expansion. It's a x minus y whole square type of expansion is there. So 2 minus h whole square is 4 minus 4h plus h square plus this one 3 minus k whole square. It's a 9 minus 6k plus k square, and that is equal to now this one minus 1 minus h whole square. It is given like this, minus 1 minus h whole square. So can we take minus common? So taking minus common, so it will be 1 plus h whole square. Now square of minus will be plus, so it can be written as 1 plus h whole square. Done. So this is equal to minus 1 minus h whole square equal to 1 plus h whole square. So expansion is 1 plus 2h plus h square plus 1 minus k whole square, which is 1 minus 2k plus k square. Clear, students? This is expansion. Now we have to simplify it. So on the both the sides, h square plus k square common, so it can be cut. Now here first we are considering h, so minus 4h and this is plus 2h. So taking that plus 2h on the left hand side, so minus 2h, sorry, minus 4h minus 2h, so it's a minus 6h. Minus 4h plus 2h, taking this plus 2h on the left hand side, so it's a minus, So minus 4h, minus 2h, minus 6h. Now k, minus 6k is there and minus 2k is there. Taking that minus 2k on the left hand side, so it will be plus 2k. So minus 6k plus 2k, it's a minus 4k, minus 4k. And constant terms, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 minus 1, 12, minus 1, 11. So it's a 13 minus 2, so it's a plus 11 equal to 0. Done. So change the sign. So it's a 6h plus 4k minus 11 equal to 0. This is one more equation in form of h and k. Say this one as a result number 4. This is our result number 4. Clear, students? Chalo. So 4h plus 4k minus 11 equal to 0. Now, this is result 4. Now, result 3 says that, result 3, h minus 3k minus 11 equal to 0. Now, we have to solve this both the equation. So, for the solution of this equation, we can multiply this equation 3, 6 से multiply करेंगे. Multiply this result 3 with 6. So, making the coefficient of h equal. So, it's a 6h minus 18k minus 66 equal to 0. Done. This is multiplying the result with 3. Say this one is a result number 5. Result 5 is obtained by multiplying result 3 with 6 to make the coefficient h equal. Now we have to solve this both the equation. So first we have to change the sign. Minus plus plus. So 6x minus 6x, it will be cut. 4k plus 18k. So it's a 22k. 66 minus 11. 66 minus 11, 55. So it's a 55 equal to 0. And hence, value of k is, taking this 55 on the right hand side. So it's a minus 55 upon 22. Cutting 11 5s are 11 2s are. So it's a minus 5 by 2. So first we are getting the value of k, that is equal to minus 5 by 2. Value of k is minus 5 by 2. What is our objective? What is our goal? Our goal is to obtain the values of h, k and r. Out of these three values, first we obtain the value of this k. K की value आ गई. Done. Put this value of k in either of the one equation. So let's put in equation number 4. Put in equation number 4. K equal to minus 5 by 2. Put in equation number 4. So we are getting the value of h. So it will be 6h plus 4k. 6h plus 4k, and value of this k is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. So 6h plus 4k minus 11, that is equal to plus 11. Done. According to our convenience, we can change the term. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are minus 10. Minus 10 को सामने ले जाओ. So 6h equal to minus 10 सामने जाएगा. 11 plus 10 कितना होगा? 21. So h will be 21 by 6. Cutting होगा. 3 7s are 3 2s are. So it's a 7 by 2. So value of h is 7 by 2. Done. Second objective completed. We require h comma k. So here value of h is 7 by 2 and k is minus 5 by 2. Third value r is required. तो r कहाँ से मिलेगा देखो. Put this value of h and k in either of this one equation. 1 या फिर 2 में put करो. 2 में माइनस वाला है ना, तो ये मेंटली ऐसा लग रहा है कि डिफिकल्ट है. So put in equation 1. So from equation number 1, we are using the equation number 1 and putting the value of this h and k, and hence we are getting the value of this r. So 2 minus h. So h is 7 by 2. It's a 2 minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus h whole square plus 3 minus k. K is minus 5 by 2. So minus minus plus. So it's a 3 plus 5 by 2. It's a 3 plus 5 by 2 whole square equal to r square. Done. So by solving this equation, we are getting the value of r. है ना, r नहीं चाहिए, we require only r square. So now simplify this. 2 2 are 4 minus 3. Sorry, 2 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 minus 3. So it's a minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 2 are 6 plus 5 11. 11 by 2 whole square equal to r square. Minus 3 by 2 square. It's a 9 by 4. 11 square 121 by 4 equal to r square, and hence our r square will be 121 plus 9 130 by 4. 130 by 4. So this one as a result number. कहाँ तक पहुंचे हम? Result number 5. Say this one is a result number 5. Done. R square is there, H is there, K is there. So now we can write the equation of circle. So now we are getting our answer. Now equation of required circle. Equation of required circle, and that is equal to, है ना, ये equation लिखना है. In this equation we will put the value of h, k and r square. So equation is x minus h. H is 7 by 2. It's a x minus 7 by 2 whole square plus y minus k. So it's a y plus 5 by 2 whole square equal to r square. R square is 130 by 4. 130 by 4. This is the equation of circle. लेकिन ये फॉर्म नहीं चाहिए, है ना. We have to convert that equation into general form. So again we have to simplify it. It's a 2x minus 7 whole square by 4 plus 2y plus 5 whole square by 4 equal to 130 by 4. Now you can cut this 4 and perform expansion. So 2x minus 7 whole square it will be 4x square. 4x square minus 2 2 are 4. 4 7 are 28x plus 7 square 49 plus 2y plus 5 whole square. So it's a 4y square plus 2 5 are 10, 2 are 20, 20y plus 25 equal to 130. डन. ये एक्सपांशन कर दिया. अभी सिंप्लीफाई करो, जो भी आएगा वो हमारा आंसर आएगा. सो इट्स अ 4x square plus 4y square minus 28x plus 20y और ये 49 plus 25 है ना. 25 को 130 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. सो इट्स अ 105 और 105 क्या होगा? 130 minus 74 2 10 6 और ये होगा 5 minus 56 इक्वल टू 0. और अब भी मुझे लग रहा है कि आप 4 कॉमन निकाल सकते हो ना. सो टेक 4 कॉमन एंड योर आंसर विल बी x square plus y square minus 7x plus 5y minus 14 equal to 0. Done. Let me check it. Minus 14 equal to 0 exactly. Clear, students? So now you can pause this video and note it down. Next, question number 12. Read the question. Find the equation of circle with radius phi. Again, we have to find the equation of circle. तो ये same circle हमारा. Find the equation of circle with radius phi. Radius r equal to phi unit is given, and center lies on x-axis. This is the center, and the center of this circle lies on this x-axis. This is one line which is x-axis. Here center lies. Center O, आप C भी रख सकते हो. And circle is passing through the point 2, 3. Suppose this is point 2, 3. So we have to find the equation of this circle. Find the equation of circle whose radius is phi unit. Center, let's assume center is h, k. Center of circle is h, k. Center of circle lies on x-axis and circle is passing through one point. That point is 2, 3. Done. So let's write our required equation. So equation of required circle. Required circle. What is the requirement? Circle passing through this point 2, 3. Radius is 5 unit and center of circle lies on x-axis. So equation of required circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Done. This is our required circle. ये इक्वेशन डिराइव करना है. In this equation we have to find the value of h, k and r. So first h and k are the coordinates of the center. H and k are the coordinates of center of circle. Center of circle lies on x-axis. Center of circle lies on x-axis. So what is the property of any point which lies on x-axis? ना 9th स्टैंडर्ड में स्टडी किया था. We have studied in 9th standard any point which lies on x-axis, its y coordinate will always be 0. So here center of circle, है ना, coordinates are h, k, but center of circle lies on x-axis, and that's why we can take this k equal to 0. So here center lies on x-axis, and hence we can put k equal to 0. So first answer हमें मिल गया है ना. First goal to find the value of k 0. We also require r. R is given. R is equal to 5. Done. So now what is the equation of circle? So now we can write equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k. K is 0. So it's a y square equal to r square 25. आधा इक्वेशन सोल्व हो गया. Say result number 1. Now what we are given? We are also given that our required circle, this one, that is required circle is passing from this point A. So now this circle x minus h whole square plus y square equal to 25 is passing through the point A. Let's say A passing through the point whose coordinates are 2, 3, है ना. और equation of circle is passing through this point 2, 3. So what we can write? Yes, this point 2, 3 will satisfy our equation, and hence, so what is the solution of this equation? Put x equal to 2. So it's a 2 minus h whole square. It's a 2 minus h whole square plus y equal to 3 square 9 equal to 25. Solve this, we are getting the value of h. So again x minus y whole square is there. So it's a 4 minus 4h plus h square equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 16 minus 4, है ना. चलो इस साइड ले लो, है ना, क्योंकि ये प्लस है. तो इट्स h square minus 4h plus 4 minus 16. So it's a minus 12 equal to 0, है ना. ये सब आपको खुद से कर देना है डायरेक्ट. This is 4 minus 16, so minus 12. So this is one quadratic equation. How to solve this quadratic equation? By splitting the middle term, factors of 12 whose subtraction is 4. 6 2s are 12, so it's a minus 6h plus 2h minus 12 equal to 0. First group, second group. So taking h common, so h minus 6 plus taking 2 common, h minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore we are getting h minus 6 equal to 0 and h plus 2 equal to 0. So two possible values of h are there. Two possible values of h are there. H equal to 6 or h equal to minus 2, which means two possible circles are there. Two possible circles are there which can satisfy this condition. So first, if you are taking h equal to 6, so now if you are taking h equal to 6, है ना, h की दो वैल्यू आ रही है. So if you are taking h equal to 6, k तो फिक्स है, x एक्सिस पर है तो 0, रेडियस भी फिक्स है, r is equal to 5, and hence for this condition equation of circle will be x minus h it's a x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 y square equal to r square 25. Simplification, it's a x square minus 6 to the 12 into 2 24x plus 6 square 36 plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. So it is x square minus 24x plus y square 36 minus 25 कितना होगा 11 equal to 0. This is first possible circle. और दूसरा केस भी है ना. If h equal to minus 2, for this case equation of circle is h equal to minus 2, k equal to 0 and take r equal to 5. And therefore equation of required circle is x minus 2. So it's a x plus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 25. Therefore it's a x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. Therefore this one is x square plus y square plus 4x. This is minus 21 equal to 0. This is second possible equation of circle. For this require both the conditions. Is that clear, students? So now again pause this video and note it down. Now question number 14 बाद में, sorry 13 बाद में 14 number. So question number 14 says find the equation of circle with center 2, 2. So this is our circle, है ना. So circle with center 2, 2, coordinates are 2, 2 and circle is passing through the point 4, 5. Suppose this is one point A, 4, 5. These are the coordinates of C. Find the equation of this circle. लो बोलो. Let's assume coordinates of center h, k and radius is r. So here we can write equation of required circle. What is the equation of required circle? It's a x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Yes. So h and k coordinates are coordinates of center of circle. Given 2, 2. Put h equal to 2, k equal to 2. But what about the r? R is not there. So this one is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square. Our two required objectives are given. Now third one, we have to find the value of r. See this one as a equation number 1. Now tell me, and आप सब तो mute हो, कैसे बताओगे? Find the value of r. So what is r? R is nothing but the radius. And what is the definition of radius? Radius of the circle is nothing but the length of line segment joining center of circle to any point on the circle. है ना? Radius is nothing but the length of line segment joining the center of circle to any point on a circle. So this r is nothing but the distance between these 2 points C and A. R is nothing but the distance between 2 points C and A. C is the center of circle, A is any point on a circle. So r square will be square of distance. So it's a 4 minus 2 whole square. Distance formula 5 minus 2 whole square is there. So r square 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 2 2 square 4, 5 minus 3, sorry 5 minus 2, yes 3 square 9. So r square will be 13. and r square ही चाहिए देखो. So now we can write equation of required circle. So what is the equation of required circle? X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square, which is equal to 13. This is standard form, but we have to write the equation of circle in general form. So it's a x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 13. So take this 13 on the left hand side. So our answer is x square plus 4x है ना, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर है ना, जनरल फॉर्म में लिखना है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 4y माइनस 4x माइनस 4y प्लस सी क्या होगा 4 प्लस 4 8 8 माइनस 13 8 माइनस 13 होगा माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0. So this is the equation of required circle. Done. Whose center is 2, 2 and passing through the point. Which point? 4, 5. Done. So again pause this video and note it down.